Yesterday, you proved air is real. Today, what is it made of? Air is not one substance. It is a mixture. Out of every 100 parts of clean, dry air, about 78 parts are nitrogen. About 21 parts are oxygen. That is already 99. The last part is carbon dioxide, water vapor, and dust. Notice the biggest part of air is nitrogen, not oxygen. Let us meet each ingredient of clean air. Nitrogen, the filler gas, does not burn. Plants need it to grow. Oxygen, about a fifth of the air, is needed for breathing and burning. Carbon dioxide is tiny, yet plants use it to make their food. Water vapor gives humidity, clouds, and rain. Dust means pollution. Oxygen supports burning. Watch a candle under a jar. Lower the jar and soon the flame flickers. Then it dies out completely. Burning uses up the oxygen trapped inside the jar. No oxygen, no flame, which is why sand or a blanket smothers a fire. So why has the air never run out of oxygen? The answer is the oxygen cycle. Plants are the heroes. During the day, green plants release oxygen by photosynthesis. Animals in burning do the reverse. They release carbon dioxide. Plants and animals swap gases, and the balance stays steady. Air is not only around us, it hides in water and soil too. Warm some water and tiny bubbles rise. That is dissolved air. Pour water on dry soil and bubbles escape from between the grains. Fish, worms, and roots all breathe this hidden air. The plant-animal gas swap is the seed of photosynthesis and respiration. Master it now, and higher biology and chemistry will feel familiar.